In today's video, I'm going to teach you save with Ctrl plus S. By the end, you'll know the fastest, most reliable way to protect your work in Blender while you create. Saving often might sound simple, but it's the single best habit to prevent lost progress from crashes, power outages, or just unexpected changes you don't want to keep. Here's the key idea. The quickest way to save your project at any moment is to press Ctrl plus S on your keyboard. Think of it as your safety tap. Anytime you complete a step you're happy with, adjusting a model, setting up materials, or tweaking a camera, tap Ctrl plus S. It's faster than navigating menus and it builds muscle memory so you do it without even thinking. If it's your first time saving this project, Blender will open a file browser window. This is where you choose where the project will live on your computer and what you want to call it. Pick a folder you use consistently for your Blender work so it's easy to find later. Then enter a clear descriptive name you'll recognize instantly, including small clues like a project title or a short version label can help you stay organized. Blender will save it as a blend file, which keeps your scene, settings, and data together. After you confirm the location and name the first time, saving becomes effortless. From that point on, pressing Ctrl plus S will overwrite the existing file with your current changes. You'll usually see a quick confirmation in Blender's status bar, and then you're right back to work. There's no need to reselect a folder or rename anything each time. The shortcut simply updates your project in place. Because overwriting is immediate, double check that your file name and location are what you want before you settle into the habit. If you like keeping multiple milestones, use a clear naming pattern from the start so your main file is always obvious and easy to update with Ctrl plus S. While older versions stay separate, make saving a rhythm. Tap Ctrl plus S after big adjustments, before test renders, and whenever you're about to experiment. It takes a fraction of a second and can save hours of effort. And remember, the first save is the only time you'll be asked to choose a location and name. After that, the shortcut simply secures your latest progress. That's all there is to it. Press Ctrl plus S to save instantly, choose a good location and name the first time, and then enjoy the peace of mind that every quick tap keeps your project safe.